Hey everyone, so how to install InShot video editor. So InShot is one of the top video editor apps out there on App Store or Google Play Store. So just tap get to install it. It's only 121 megabytes, and then you can just start using it. You can trim videos, cut, delete, merge videos, adjust video speed, add music effects, text, emoji, filters, transitions, picture in picture, all of that. So I think it's just much more advanced version of iMovie on iPhone. So definitely try it out if you're a YouTuber or creator or just create videos on your phone. So yeah, so open it up. And there you have it. You don't even need to create an account. You can just create video, photo, or collage. So you can give access to your photos. So something like that. And then just select the borders. I just want to show you the abilities here. You can add all the different filters. You can add all the different canvas, adjust lightness and all of that. And then then you can just tap, and then you can share it. But on all the apps, Instagram, WhatsApp, or just save on all of that. But that's not the powerful feature. The powerful feature is of course video editing, and I'll explain that in the next video.